before I etched the outside of the tub, I just wanted to show, see how dull the inside is, and that's etched so that there's a ton of basically pores that opened up so I can get underneath that top layer and integrate a new surface into the old. But look how this is not been etched. See the difference in that shiny, that glaze, and that's why a lot of people will call it reglazing. So there's not etched versus etched, and I'm working my way on this outside wall. Just wanted to show this, and then of course I've done up against that corner and everything, but I'll get this looking really good for them. Outside wall all the way down to the floor is completed. Polyester glaze all around, recaulked, and on the floor, I was gonna see if I could, it's not easy to spot, but it is, I think you can kind of see it if you look a little bit in the light, like right here, you can kind of see that little tiny texture, and that's the slip resistant. It really helps a lot. And it will be ready to use anytime after 5 p.m. tomorrow afternoon.